welcome back to Rituals. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Rituals. Today we're going to be building or speccing another Lamborghini. This time we're going to be doing the one I really want. It's the Spyder. You watched the previous video of me speccing out the Lamborghini Huracan EVO RWD, which stands for rear wheel drive. And then you know, I was really saying I can't wait for them to do the Spyder version of this car. Well, guess what? This week, Lamborghini hit us with the Lamborghini Huracan EVO RWD Spyder. Man, that's a long title. But anyway, today we're gonna spec that thing out. So before we start, I need you guys to hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you'll be in a loop when I post new videos. On this channel, I do car content, I do sneaker reviews, and I do money tips. So if you're interested in those three things, this is the channel for you. So with that being said, let's jump right into this Lamborghini Huracan RWD Spyder build. Oh yeah, and it's an EVO. Let's go. Let's get right into this build today. Today we are going to build a Huracan EVO RWD Spyder. Let's start this configuration. Okay, I'm gonna keep it simple today, guys. I am going for, well, let's go through the colors first. Yeah, those are decent. It's gonna be a spoiler alert. I'm going for black today, but I will show you guys what these different colors look like. That gray look pretty good. That green is dope. Yeah, the last build I did an orange. For you guys that watched that, go back and watch that video. The Lamborghini Huracan EVO RWD, the coupe version. I did it in orange. So we're gonna go with black, of course. Let's select these black rims. They missing my caliber option, so let's go to full car configuration. Let that load up. Let's see here. Okay, we're gonna add smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay. Gotta add that. Why is this thing grayed out? Oh, had to select the lifestyle pack. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty already. See that? But that's not the color we're going with as far as the interior. Let's go to the brake calipers. Gotta get them in red. That's the thing we're going for here. Black on red. For my sneakerheads, we call that bread. B-R-E-D. So let's see here. Check the details. Let's go to the interior. Carbon skin. Not really. Let's see too when I select here. I got the EVO trim here. Select that. Oh yeah. Rosso. Let's wait and see what that looks like. There we go. Ooh, nice. That red on black. Yes. Let's see here. Yeah, that's definitely the interior. That interior is hard. We go to the floor mats. Hey, I want that bicolor, of course. Steering wheel. I think we feeling that Alcantara like we did on the last one, the last car build we did. So Alcantara, got that steering wheel. Let's go over here. Seats and belts. Gotta have that embroidery in the seat. Gotta have that. Look at that red stitching. Nice. And let's go fully electric. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. Gotta have the heated seats. Even though I'm out here in Arizona, sometimes in the morning it gets a little cold. So while we're doing this build, we have to take that into consideration. Plus, it's just nice to have. I'm not really feeling all the forge, but let's see. I guess. Let's do it to see what that looks like. And let's go here. Let's see. Already did steering wheel details. I already did that. Additional upholstery. And I really tripped about the headline. Oh yeah, gotta have that sound system. Gotta have that top of the line sound system. Ooh, yeah, the forge look pretty nice in there. That looks pretty good. I must say, that forged carbon. That looks pretty good. Let's go to the options here. Definitely need a cup holder, even though it's a supercar. Need that lift. Gotta have that, because the car already sits low. See what this is. It can be operated, needed. Oh yeah, that sounds pretty cool. But I think it's the same as that one. But you know what? Let's just go for it. That light package, man. Gotta have a light package at night so you can see what's going on inside the car. That should be automatic. It shouldn't even be an option. Gotta have a protective film on the car. Out here there's a lot of rocks, so definitely need that. I don't really know what this consists of, but maintenance pack for 5 years sounds pretty good. Let's see here. Now I'll be doing most of the drive, but you know, sometimes we travel to the mountains, so let's get that cruise control. We need that. And then once again, we're at the part of the video like we were last time, where it's building a car that you built, like as far as the pictures. And this thing is a beauty. You see that? Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. So then we build that brochure like we did last time. Like I said, go back and watch the other video where I built the Lamborghini Huracan EVO RWD, the coupe version. I built that one in orange. But go check out that build. It's pretty cool. And then you guys let me know, after you check out that video and you watch this video, let me know which one would you get. Would you get the coupe or would you get the Spyder? And would you get the other color scheme I went with, or would you get this color scheme I went with? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Alright, so that configurator is taking a while. It says it's downloaded. Let me click on it. Oh, there it go. So here's the brochure that they generate for the Lamborghini. Once you build it, let's maximize that. Ooh, look at that color. Red, like I said, for my sneakerheads, you know what that is. That's that Chicago Bulls color, the black, the playoffs. When Michael Jordan used to wear the playoff Jordans, you know, the Breads. Speaking of that, y'all been checking out that The Last Dance, and documentary been pretty cool lately. Pretty cool. This week is the last 2 episodes, so shout out to ESPN for showing that early. But yeah, this was the Lamborghini build. That was the brochure. Did that black and red color scheme. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. You guys seem to like the other videos I've done. I've done a Ferrari one now. I've done a Lamborghini one now. And we'll just make the second Lamborghini. So thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate your support. Like I said, I do car content on this channel. I do sneaker reviews and I do money tips. So if you add those sort of things, please hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you'll be in a loop when I post new videos. And stay tuned. I got something cool coming for you guys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mm-hmm.